blue nigga. Ratchet Tracy, let me go on to make you famous, and you can take this video and do what you want to do it with your Kentucky Fried Chicken, golden nugget tooth in your head with your extra blue 22 DJ screw tape wig extensions in your head, looking like a big old cup of blueberry fruit juice from outside of 610. Let me tell you something about this here, you big, ugly, nasty motherfucker. I wouldn't give a damn how funny he is and what comedian you know. This is not the place to go. I sell my dick for real in real life to women.
Y'all know I'm funny.
It's okay for you to wear hoochie daddy shorts if you're selling weed. That's for the culture. That's for the culture.
I sell my penis. The cleanest and the meanest, you know what I'm saying? You
where the hoes at that's buying sauce Walka D? That's what I want to know. Where them hoes
at?
See, what I'm not gonna do is argue with no dude with no Burris. No Burris looking like Susie from the Rugrats Flathead ass boy. That nigga trying to be Ratchet Tracy twin looking ass nigga. He wanna be twins with Ratchet Tracy. But you could never. I'm just trying to give you some news you can use.
So let me get this straight. You buying sauce Walka D? Who? White people?